In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online with digital marketing and an online business. And this is a business that I've been personally using for over the past 2 years. I've been building this business. I've made thousands of dollars, multiple five figures, and my goal is to hit six figures this year. So when I talk about this business, it's not just something I'm talking about in theory, it's something that I'm actually building every single day. Okay, so if you're new here, I'm Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine. I'm a former monk, and now I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online without having to work a job. Okay, so you got to understand this. There's three basic ways to make money. You can be an employee, which means you have a job, which means you're working for other people, you're making other people rich. You can be a business owner, which means you're an entrepreneur and you have a business and you're making yourself rich and you can work whenever you want. And there's unlimited, income possibilities. And then you can also invest in things like stocks and real estate, things like that. Okay, so a lot of people think you're rich. The highest percentage of wealthy people is from business. Okay, like Elon Musk, he just became a trillionaire through business. Okay, Jeff Bezos, Amazon business, and there's so many other business owners out there that some of you know and some you don't know. And then like investors, you can think like Warren Buffett, right? He made a lot of money through investing. Okay, so that's what you got to understand, that there's three ways to make money. Okay, so you got to become a lot of you, myself included, you became aware that you have a lack of money. You probably don't have enough money to do what you want to do, right? So then you're going to consider your options. You're going to be like, okay, should I get another job? Should I try to get a better job? Should I go back to college so I can get a better job? You're going to consider your options. Should I start a side hustle like this one? And then you're going to make a decision, right? Just like me, my company cut my pay, and I decided I didn't want to get another job. And then I was looking for ways to make money online, and then I found this, and then I checked it out, and I decided to start it. Okay, and I'm glad I did, because not only have I made money, but I've learned so much in the process. Like I've learned how to build an email list, content creation, AI, how to create my own community, how to create my own offers, how to build multiple streams of income. Okay, that's the stuff that I've been learning, and I'm still learning till this day. The learning and earning never stops. This is a learning and earning process. Okay, so let me show you how this works. Right, when it comes to like making a like business in general, this is how every business on the planet works, actually. So you have an offer. Okay, it's three things: offer, system, and strategy. The offer is what you're selling. Now, that could be either a digital product, a physical product, an opportunity, or a service, right? Now, this business, we sell 5 digital products in the e-learning industry. So you can earn anywhere from $100 to $1,400 per sale. And you get to keep 100% of the profit, because it's something called master resell rights. So you have resell rights to a digital product that you don't even have to create yourself. So when you compare it to other business models, this is superior based on the fact that you earn 100% profit, right? Like, for example, if you're doing affiliate marketing or multi-level marketing, you're selling other people's products just like we do, but you're splitting your profits with the company. Okay, you don't earn 100%. We earn 100%. Step two, you got to automate your business. Okay, that's why you need a system. You got to automate your business. Okay, so the system, the automations, what happens is it's a sales funnel. Okay, so what they do is they put their email in. You're building your email list. Okay, and then they watch videos. The videos are doing the selling for you, and they get emails from you. Okay, as soon as they put their email in, it triggers an automated email sequence. So they're going to get an email from you every single day. Plus, you can send emails out to your list whenever you want. Something called a newsletter, which we also teach you how to do. So you can email list anytime. You can email your list anytime you want, and they say the money's in the list. Okay, and then it takes people to your website where they can purchase one of your products. Understand? That's how every business works. Every business has either a website, either they have an online store, or they have an offline store where people can go and buy stuff. You understand? It's very simple. So, and then step number three is a strategy. You need a strategy. The strategy is what you do to promote your business. Okay. That's marketing, that's advertising. Every business on the planet does it. So there's 4 ways to do that, right? You can do paid ads, you can do warm outreach, you can do cold outreach, and you can do free content strategies. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comments. And if you want to learn more, just go to wealthwithdan.com and you can learn how this works, and you can check out the business and see if you want to get started. So the strategy that we teach you is the free content strategy. Okay. So this is what we teach. We teach a 2-hour workday so you can get your business activities finished in 1 to 2 hours a day around your schedule. You don't have to hustle all day. And what do we teach? Posting 3 pieces of content a day to social media. So choose your favorite platform or platforms and just start posting content. Okay. Now there's 4 types of content. You can do videos, you can do images, you can do audios, and you can do written content. Okay. Now I mostly do videos, and I do a little bit of images with AI and some written stuff like captions and stuff, descriptions with AI as well. Okay. So post 3 pieces of content a day, which shouldn't take you longer than 30 minutes. Okay. And then you can also go live on social media, right? Some people do, some people don't. It's up to you. One person made over $1 million in our business by just posting content. Of course, results vary. I'm not guaranteeing results. Everybody has different results, right? So posting content, going live, and we teach you how to post content and we teach you how to go live. And you can also post free ads. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So you can copy and paste free ads and post free ads to high traffic websites. That's how you're marketing your business. Okay. So people either they see your content, they see your live, they go to your website, they buy stuff. That's basically how it works. So you can post as much content as you want. And that's it. That's all you got to do to build this particular business. That's what we teach. This is how you can build any business. I don't care what I'm selling. I would still post content, go live, or, maybe post free ads for any business that I'm doing. Okay. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Now I'm just going to share my screen. I'm going to show you what this business looks like. I'll show you what the business looks like. And also I'll show you some inside of our community because we have a community where we get training and support inside of our community. So I'll show you that. And yeah, I'll show you how to post free ads, and that's pretty much it. That's what I'll show you today. All right. So let me share my screen real quick. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is the capture page. Now, as soon as you're going to have your own link, you're going to have your own domain. Like my domain is my domain is wealthwithdan.com. So as soon as somebody clicks on your link, they're going to go to a page that looks like this. Looks just like this. Of course, you're not going to use my picture. You're going to put your picture there because you're building your brand. So they're going to enter their email. Okay. And then after they enter their email, they're going to go and they're going to watch one of these videos. Now, the video is doing the selling for you, it's explaining everything for you. Okay. And after they watch the video, it's going to take them to the website. So, what is this? This is a beginner friendly program to build online income, flexibility, and freedom. Okay. So, when you join this business, when you join this program, you have a global business opportunity where you can sell 5 digital products that you don't have to create. Plus, we teach you how to build recurring income streams. We teach you how to monetize on social media, email marketing, affiliate marketing, how to create your own digital products, UGC, brand deals, TikTok shop monetization, how to become certified in digital marketing. This is all the stuff that we teach you and more. We're always adding more and more to this program. Okay. It's always evolving. So we have over 59,000 people inside of our community. We did $29 million in sales in 10 months, and we teach you how to get your first customer in 7 days. Okay. We teach you how to launch your business and get into profit in 7 days, right? It took me about 2 weeks to get my first customer when I started this business, but we didn't have all the trainings that we have now. You have way more training than I had. Okay. So there's testimonials on the website. I'm just showing you what the website looks like. Why do people love our program? Beginner friendly training, no experience, no problem. 2 hour a day workflow, work anywhere, your schedule, available in English and Spanish, global opportunity, simple steps and tools to follow, no tech overwhelm, keep every dollar you make up to $1,400 per sale, and learn how to attract daily paying customers. Okay. Now we got a community where there's over 60,000 of us in our community. We get millionaire mentoring in our community. Okay. You get millionaire mentoring every Monday. So get started before Monday if you want to join. Oh, what happened there? Okay. Let me go back here. Okay, here's the little bio section. All you got to do is put your picture here, put your little bio here. There you go. Why is this perfect for you? Because you instantly access your pre-built digital business and blueprint that's been tested for success. Just plug in, connect, and start. You want to make extra income from home, but you don't know where to start. Your 9-to-5 job doesn't provide financial security and you need a better way. You want to work from anywhere using just your phone or laptop. Retirement is around the corner and you need a reliable income stream. You're a busy parent looking for a flexible, family-friendly business. You've tried other opportunities but struggled to see real results. You want a step-by-step system that takes the guesswork out of online business. Okay. So more testimonials. And we also teach you how to use AI like Claude, ChatGPT, and other like different tools you can use. And the AI helps you build your business, helps you save time so you can build your business easier, more simple, and save a lot of time. And this is what sets us apart from other businesses. We earn 100% profit, and there's a certification training. So you go through the training and you become a certified reseller of the programs. Plus, you're going to know how digital marketing works. Digital marketing, online marketing, you're promoting things online, you're selling things online, basically. And it's a global business. You can get customers from all over the world because all you need is Wi-Fi, your phone, and about 2 hours a day to do this. You don't need tech skills. You don't need a following. You don't need any experience. And it's available in English and Spanish. You can get customers all over the world. And this shows you what you're going to learn. So what we do is we sell these 5 digital programs, right? That's what we sell, 5 digital programs. And the video explains it. But let's going to show you what you're going to learn in these programs. You're going to learn like phase 1, foundation, CEO mindset and clarity, Get crystal clear on your niche and who you're meant to help. Phase 2 is attraction, simple strategies to grow on social media organically. Phase 3, engagement, simple ways to build trust without oversharing your whole life. Okay, because people do business with those that they know, like, and trust. And people get to know, like, and trust you through your content and through your marketing and through your emails. Okay, phase 4, conversion, turn engagement into income. Okay, how to turn simple conversations into consistent income, a simple sales flow that works on autopilot. Phase 5, leveraging AI made easy. Okay, how to create content in minutes, not hours. And phase 6, monetize, scale your business. How to add additional income streams without starting over, simple ways to scale what's already working, how to build a business that keeps growing with you. So you get to learn this inside of the programs. These are what the programs teach. And plus, we have live interactive millionaire mentoring inside of our community as well. Plus, we have guest speakers, we have mindset coaches and other speakers to help you build your business and help you just build multiple streams of income. Okay. So this is what we're selling, these 5 digital programs. Okay. So they sell for 100, 300, 600, 900, and 1400. Now, if you want to join this business, if you want to join the program, you just purchase one of the programs. And as soon as you purchase the program, you have the resale rights to it, which is how you're able to earn anywhere from $100 to $1,400 per sale. And with a $1,400 product, a high ticket product, you only need 72 customers to make 100K. And we teach you how to attract those customers. Okay. So yeah, you purchase one of the programs. I recommend starting at the top program. Start at the 1400 if you can. Start at the highest level because you can only learn and earn from the level you're at. So if you're at the 1400 level, you get 10 income streams. But let's say you start at the 900, you get 4 income streams: 900, 600, 300, and 100. Okay, if you start at the 100, you only get 1 income stream, which means you can only earn $100 commissions, which is still great. But if you want to start at the highest level possible, okay. And there's no monthly fees. One-time investment, 0 monthly fees. Okay, so that's all you got to do is purchase one of the programs, pay your website fee because you get a website. So one-time website fee, and that's it. And that's basically how the company makes money. That's how you earn 100% profit because the company gives you a website, and that's how you earn 100% profit. Okay, and then we have these bonus trainings, thousands of dollars worth of training, right? Bonus trainings like how to create your own community, how to monetize it, how to do faceless marketing, how to create your own digital products, how to monetize them. And that's it. And there's frequently asked questions. So that's the website. That's the website that we use. This website has made us thousands of millions of dollars. Okay. We've upgraded the website over time, but like the website in general has made us millions of dollars inside of our community. Okay. So you purchase one of the programs and then you're going to have instant access to your program. Okay. You're going to have instant access to your program, right? Like, hold on, delete that. Okay. Yeah. So your programs are here, your certification training is here, your bonuses are here. And one of the first things you got to do is set up your website. You got to set up these pages, right? If you want to promote the business, if you want to, some people we have 3 types of buyers. Some people, they just want to learn how to attract more customers based on what we teach. They have a business, they want to learn digital marketing. Other people, they just want to learn how to build multiple streams of income. So they join our program. And other people, they want to just make money by reselling the programs. So if you want to make money by reselling the programs, you got to set up your website, right? So here's the website. Here's the website setup. You just go in and it shows you what you need to do to set up your website. It takes a few hours to set up. It's going to show you what accounts you need to open, like GoDaddy and stuff. It's going to show you how to get your domain. Like you need a domain. My domain is wealthwithdan.com. You want a simple domain. It's going to be your brand. So make sure it's something you never want to change. You don't want to change it. You don't want to change your domains. It's not a good idea. Okay, payment gateways. It shows you how to attach your payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, Square, how to attach it to your website so you can receive payments. Okay, and then it just shows you how to connect your system to your domain. So you just watch all these little videos. Most of it is just like you watch the videos. That's going to tell you to copy and paste information. That's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. It took me a few hours to set up. I don't have tech skills. You don't need tech skills. Okay, so that's how you set up your website. Now let me go inside of our community. Okay. Let me just show you proof that people are making money. So once you're brand new, you can just introduce yourself here, ask any questions you want to ask. And yeah, here's the win section. We got over 60,000 people in our community. So this person, they said they got their first sale. Boom. Okay. Mindy, she made $1,400. Okay. Boom. All right. She made $900 during her live. She made $2,300 in less than 4 hours. In less than 4 hours, she made $2,300. And it's not magic. It's because we have a website that we send people to and people buy their products, right? So that's how they're making the money. because they're driving traffic to their website. People are going to the website and they're buying the products. Okay. It's not a magic thing. Some people think making money online is magical. No, there's things that are happening. Okay. She woke up to $1,400. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. My first sale, another one, first sale. Okay. $1,400 sale for Christine. She's in her 80s too. We got people in their teens to their 80s, men, women, all backgrounds, mothers, fathers, everybody. Okay. So you can see another one, my first sale. 3 people got their first sale. She got her first lead. See, a lead is a potential customer. So people can post whatever they want to post. It doesn't matter. Okay. She woke up, she had a $600 sale for Shirley. Okay. She said she made $494 based on the skills that she's learned from our program. Okay. So there you go. Some people make money from just reselling the programs. Other people make money based on what they learn. Okay, $100 while at work during a meeting, made $100. There you go. That's just one page. There's 30 posts per page. We have over 36,000 pages of wins. So do the math. It's a lot. It's like over 900,000 wins. Okay. So in our classroom, we have more bonus trainings and recorded trainings. If you missed the live webinars or the live training calls, you can watch the replays. Okay. And the calendar, this shows you what's going on, what live events we have. Like tomorrow, Sunday, I mean Monday, every Monday we have millionaire mentoring. Okay. We had a mindset training coming up. All right. And the map shows you where so this is a global business. You can see we got people from all over the world, literally all over the world building this business. Okay. And yeah, that's the community. So like I said, there's two things you got to do: start your business and promote your business. 2 hour workday, post content, go live, or post free ads. Okay, so I'm going to show you, like, for example, posting free ads. There's these websites you can go to and you can post ads anywhere, like all over the world. Okay, for example, I can go here and our business teaches you how to make money. So look, there's a category for build wealth. So you just got to choose whatever category. Like I could choose any of these. Let's just say side hustle. Okay, and all I got to do is like copy and paste an ad into here, right? It just takes like a minute. And for example, I've already posted ads here before. So this is what my ad looks like, right? It looks like this. This is my ad. I got a little image here and if they click here, it's going to take them to my capture page, right? I also have my community here that they can join. And I also have a YouTube video that they can watch. So you can also build your social media from this free ad method. So that's the free ad method. And then when it comes to posting content on social media, I'll just give you an example of my YouTube page, right? So I post long form videos over 10 minutes, just like this video, to attract customers. Okay. And I do a variety, like sometimes I'm posting about my business. Sometimes I'm giving marketing tips. Sometimes I'm doing mindset stuff. That's basically what I do. And then short form videos, these are videos that are like a minute or less, right? Promoting the business generally. And then my lives are recorded. So I go live on TikTok and I go live on YouTube simultaneously. So my lives are recorded so people can watch the replays. And then I got some playlists about different topics. And then my written posts, this is where I use AI. I use AI to create images and I use AI to create the words. So when you're doing business in general, it's like it's a good idea to do like a variety of like sometimes value where you're just giving people like information, education, entertainment, and then sometimes just business where you're like basically promoting your business like an ad. So you want to do like a variety of value and business in general. Okay. So that's pretty much it. That's how this business works. And if you want to learn more, just go to wealthwithdan.com. Just enter your email, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint. And if you have questions, reply to my emails. Otherwise, drop any questions you have in the comments. And yeah, just like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. If you know somebody that's looking for legitimate ways to make money online, just share the video with them. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless.